Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to write on your screen during a Google Meet to make your presentation clear and interactive. First of all, join your Google Meet, click present now. After joining on Google Meet or creating a Google Meet meeting, you can click present now. Your entire screen or window will be presented on the screen that you share. Select what you want to share and click share. Use Google Jamboard to write on the screen. Open the Google Jamboard or another drawing app. You can also select whiteboard in the Google Meet if available. Everyone in the meeting can see you writing in real time. Writing tools. In Jamboard, you can use pen, marker or highlighter tools to write in or annotate. You can also choose the color, erase mistakes and highlight important points. And another step is to collaborate. You can give access to write to click share and share with people and allow editing. This makes your meeting more interactive and engaging. And that's it. Now you know how to write on screen in Google Meet. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.